Welcome to Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders. On weeknights, hot pot is my shortcut to comfort. Fast, simple, satisfying. But on weekends, the pace slows down. The table expands, the candles are lit, the evening becomes a celebration of good food and great company. We start with the soul of every hot pot. The sauces. First, the sesame base. I am using tahini because I run out of sesame paste. Add a spoonful of peanut butter. It softens the edges and adds a touch of sweetness. Then in go the fermented Chinese chives for that deep, salty aroma, and 2 cubes of fermented tofu with a drizzle of their sauce. A splash of soy sauce. A drizzle of sesame oil, a spoon of minced garlic. Bring everything together. Add a few tablespoons of water. Mix and watch it turn from thick to creamy. Taste, adjust, and pour it into a small jar. This one's nutty, savory, and layered. Now the Chinese barbecue sauce. This one is about salt and umami. I start with a cup of Chinese barbecue paste, then add soy sauce and water to loosen it. A touch of sugar, a bit of sesame oil, just enough to round out the savoriness. Stir until smooth and glossy. Then taste. It should be rich, balanced, and deeply satisfying. Both sauces are ready, side by side. 2 different personalities. One is creamy and nutty, the other is savory and bold. Together, they'll anchor everything that goes into the pot tonight. Vegetables and garnish. Leafy napa and baby cabbage, zucchini, mushrooms, potatoes, cilantro and green onions for freshness. Everything is washed, sliced, and neatly arranged. The calm before the feast. Next comes proteins. Tofu, spam, chicken, shrimp, beef, lamb. Each platter looks like a painter's palette. Color, texture, and anticipation. I set the table in a soft fall theme. A maple leaf tablecloth, candles glowing, plates, bowls, silverware, and napkins ready. Vegetables, tofu, noodles, and shrimp on one end, proteins, sauces, and condiments on the other. Guests are welcomed with their choice of white, red, or sparkling water. And before the hot pot begins, I serve a few small bites. A pan of baked feta with freshly made mini baguettes, and a Chinese-style appetizer of fried cream cheese imitation wonton brought by our guests. As stock and the ingredients go in, each guest builds their own bowl, sesame or barbecue, cilantro, chili, broth. Hours pass this way, cooking, eating, talking. The broth deepens with every round, and everyone is smiling. If this cozy feast makes you crave an easy weeknight version, check out my weeknight hot pot video, the quick, no-fuss meal that started all. Thanks for watching Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders.